Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. It is all about lashes, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this video is all about eyelashes. That's why I'm up close and personal. And I wanted to dive right in, show you what I have. I'm going to give a quick little tutorial on how to apply lower lashes, false lashes. Okay, so I have on Jacqueline's Beauty lashes right here. This is F as in Frank, V as in Victor, 11. So I'm just taking a pack or box of lashes. These are individuals. They're called Gabriella G3710. And this is a medium length. I hope you can kind of see it. It's a little, let me see. Okay, there you go. That's a little better. So you could see now what, what I have. So what I've done, basically, I've taken just some of the lashes that were in, I'm using 3 on each side, and what I'd like to do is to have them look as natural as possible. So what I tend to do is clip them a little bit, just to make sure that it's not too long, you know, because the top lashes are powerful, so you don't want to go too far. So I did put on Kiko Milano mascara. So I do put on mascara prior to. I'm using dual glue for my glue that I use on my lashes all the time. I'm taking a very basic tweezer with a pointed end, and I've already clipped my with the scissor my little individual lashes. So this is going to be a little tricky, but what I do is I simply dip it in glue. Okay, I have glue on a tissue that I've had out for a little bit so it'll get a little tacky. And, let's see. Okay, just dip it in a bit. Taking my handy dandy magnifying mirror, and I'm going in. I'm going to get my hair out of the way. Okay, let's see how this works. I start at the inner of my eye first. Well, that didn't go so good. It fell down. They're so delicate. Oh my gosh. Come on. This definitely takes practice. So I'm showing you the real life how to get them on. Hair, will you please stop? Stop. Okay. And it takes a few minutes to dry, of course. So one thing I like about Duo is the longer you let it sit out, it's going to get a little tacky and it dries a little bit faster. So I put in 3 lashes. I don't wear these all the time, but you know, if you want to go somewhere or you have a little bit of a glam feel, go for it. I also do it for photo shoots when I want my eyes to be more dramatic. I'm doing something that I really want it to pop my eyes. Yes, I do it. Okay, put a little bit more glue on. I'm only putting 3 lashes because it just gives a little bit of a dramatic look, and I'm not trying to go too much. I swear I drop these things like constantly before they get to my eyes. You definitely have to have patience, although it doesn't take long, but you don't want them to look. I kind of bend them down a little bit. Okay, now for me it's a little weird, but I feel like Betty Boo a little bit. It's so simple to do, and it adds such definition to your eyes. Look at this. Okay, now I am going to take my little handy eyelash tool, and all I want to do is kind of press it so that they're down a little bit more before they completely dry. Wow. But I kid you not. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's kind of cute. Very, very, I don't know. Like baby doll eyes. They're like baby doll eyes. Oh my God. Okay, so one thing that I will do, I'm going to take some small shears and I'm going to trim them a little bit more on camera. Are these, let me see, where are my other ones? Okay, this might be better. I did trim them as soon as I took them out of the pack, but once you get them on, then you could actually see the length of everything. Now see the difference? This looks a little bit better. Okay, so we'll take some off on the other side. And I think the dual glue works phenomenal. Okay? Be careful when you're cutting near your eyes. Okay, let me see. Wow, I like it. Okay, so let me know if you've tried it. This was a quick, simple, actually worked out to be a little longer than I thought, video on how to apply lower lashes. I love them. I simply love them. So you guys, let me know your thoughts. Please, please, please click the JB so that you can join this happy little family. Click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and check out all the tips and tricks on Jacqueline's Beauty blog. You guys, don't forget to tell me your thoughts about this, and I want to, if you try it, tag me. Let me know, okay? See you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.